Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Bet365 account. So Bet365 is a betting website where you guys can bet, which means you guys can put your money in and then you guys can bet in whichever game. It could be football, tennis, or cricket, or any game that's going on right now. It could be even wrestling or MMA, alright? But make sure you're 18 and above to access this website. If you're under that, you cannot. Alright, now that's it. Let's start the video. And yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this, alright? First thing first, you want to search for Bet365. That's basically its official website's name. And click on where it says Bet with Bet365. Make sure it takes you to bet365.com, alright? It's his official website. Now, once you're in its page, what you want to do is make sure it loads up completely. Now, once the website loads up over here, you can see the join button at the top right. You want to click on join and it's going to take you to the sign up page. Now, once you're over here, it says country of residence. Now, it's going to choose automatically according to the country you are in. So I'm in USA, so it's going to choose that. And from over here, choose if you're Mr., Mrs., whatever you want. And then enter your first name. Once you enter your first name, enter your last name. And once you do that, make sure you enter your date of birth over here, alright? Make sure you choose a correct date of birth. Once you do that, you need to enter the last four number of your social security number. So which means last four digit of your social security number. Once you do that, you need to enter your email address over here. Now, once you enter your email address, where it says cell phone number right below email, make sure to enter your cell phone number as well, alright? Once you do that, where it says address, you want to type your address. So let's say I live in New York. I'm going to write New York. So it's going to give me all this. So I'm going to choose this, because that's my address. And once you do that, it's going to autofill it. Where it says username, it's basically what username you want for your account. So I want my username to be The Real Gambler. Make sure you don't have any spaces. It's because of the spaces it's showing me red, alright? If it's red, that means you cannot use this name. But this username is not taken. Okay, this username is taken. So I'm just gonna enter random number over here. And yeah, it should work. And where it says password, create a password for your account. Where it says bonus code, if somebody gave you a code, you can enter it. If you don't have a code, you can leave it empty. And make sure you click on this to, tell that you have accepted its terms and service, and click on join Bet365, and you should be able to create yourself a Bet365 account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.